Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share something I recently found out that's going to level up your skincare routine. If you've been looking for a natural way to keep your face looking toned, fresh, and youthful, then keep watching because I'm about to introduce you to the magic of face yoga. If you think yoga is just for your body, think again. Face yoga is a real thing, and it's taking the skincare world by storm. With the FaceYogi app, your face will be getting a workout it didn't know it needed. What exactly is face yoga? Why should I start face yoga? Imagine the same benefits you get from regular yoga: toning, strengthening, and revitalizing your body, but focused entirely on your face. Your face has 42 individual muscles, and just like the rest of your body, they need a good exercise to stay in shape. Over time, these muscles that make you smile, frown, or raise your eyebrows in surprise can lose their tone, leading to sagging, fine lines, and just an overall tired look. That's where face yoga comes in. Face yoga exercises are designed to target those muscles, helping you tone up, reduce the signs of aging, and keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Now you might be thinking, okay, sounds cool, but how do I even start? That's where FaceYogi comes in. What makes FaceYogi so special? Why FaceYogi out of all the other face yoga apps out there? Think of it like your personal yoga trainer, but just for your face. FaceYogi is all about face yoga. It's an app designed to help you tone your facial muscles, reduce those pesky signs of aging, and achieve a natural glow. Whether you're dealing with a double chin, sagging cheeks, or just want to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful, FaceYogi has got your back. Or should I say your face. And the best part? You can glow up without splurging on pricey products. No expensive creams, no weird gadgets, just you a few minutes a day. FaceYogi is a super low-cost app that uses natural methods to get your skin glowing and fresh. You can multitask, working out from the comfort of your home, in your PJs, while binge-watching your favorite show. There are lots of features contained in this app, but what I like the most is that FaceYogi doesn't just throw random exercises at you. Feature 1. Custom face yoga plans just for you. FaceYogi isn't a one-size-fits-all app. It takes the details you've inputted and create a fitness plan that focuses on areas like your forehead, eyes, nose, cheeks, mouth, jawline, and neck. Maybe you've been eyeing that double chin in the mirror a little too much lately, or perhaps you're just tired of your face feeling puffy and want to lose that extra face fat. FaceYogi's got you covered. Feature 2. Progress tracking. We all love seeing progress, right? FaceYogi makes it super easy to keep tabs on your transformation. With the photo log and progress videos so you can see those before and after shots, you'd actually see how your face is changing over time. Plus, the app lets you track your statistics so you can see how consistent you've been with your practice. Trust me, nothing beats that feeling when you start to see real results. Whether it's a more defined jawline or smoother skin, those little victories keep you coming back for more. Feature 3. Video courses for different facial issues. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually do these face yoga moves? Don't worry. FaceYogi offers video courses that cover a range of facial issues. Whether you're looking to tackle a double chin, fight the signs of aging, or just maintain a fresh, youthful glow, there's something for everyone. These videos are super detailed and easy to follow, even if you're a complete beginner. Each exercise is demonstrated clearly, so you can nail that technique every time. Feature 4. Gua Sha exercises. Gua Sha is an all-natural ancient Chinese skincare technique that involves using a smooth-edged tool to gently massage your face. It helps improve blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve tension, tighten, and leave your skin looking fresh and lifted. FaceYogi has some amazing Gua Sha courses that you can easily add to your routine. Even if you're new to it, the app's got you covered with step-by-step instructions. Just a few minutes of this can make a huge difference in how your skin looks and feels. Feature 5. Beauty tips. FaceYogi dishes out some seriously good beauty tips. So, you're not just working out your face muscles, but you're also learning how to keep your body in tip-top shape. From skincare to hair care, sleep, and even diet, these tips are like the cherry on top of your new face yoga practice. It's just like having your own personal beauty coach, guiding you on everything from fighting off those pesky breakouts to sleeping tips that'll make sure you wake up refreshed, best diet practices to nourish your skin from within, and even healthy habits that'll add a little extra oomph to your daily routine. FaceYogi has it all. As you dive into your personalized face yoga routine, don't forget to check out these beauty tips. How to get the most out of FaceYogi. I won't sugarcoat it. The key here is consistency. Just like any other workout routine, you've got to stick with it to see results. It wouldn't just happen overnight. Practice your face yoga exercises for 20-30 minutes every day. I know life can get busy, but trust me, your future self will thank you for making the time. Plus, you can totally do it while binge watching your favorite show or listening to a podcast. I started using FaceYogi and it's almost 2 weeks now. Though I haven't started seeing the exact changes I want, I've noticed a little difference in the areas I'm working on. My skin looks a lot more fresher. With this little difference I see, I'll be trying my possible best to be in this for the long haul. And I hope you are. Keep going, and in 3 to 6 months, you'll be seeing a more lasting change. Don't give up. A friendly reminder. While FaceYogi is amazing and offers a ton of valuable content, from the videos to the articles, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your skin or any specific conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new skincare routine. That's a wrap for today's video. A complete rundown of the FaceYogi app and how it can help you achieve that glowing, youthful look we all crave. So, if you're aiming for that perfect selfie, want to lift and firm your face naturally, take your skincare routine to the next level, or just need a little help glowing up without breaking the bank, and you haven't downloaded FaceYogi yet, what are you waiting for? Download the app and join the FaceYogi community. Let's transform our skincare routine together. There's a link in the description and comment section. I also got something extra special just for you all because I want you to experience all the benefits of FaceYogi. Use my invitation code to enjoy a free trial for a few days so you can explore all the fantastic features FaceYogi has to offer at no cost. If you try out the app, let me know in the comments how it's working for you. I'd love to hear your feedback.